This is your Swing Alpha Trade Report for November 9th, 2017. Intraday, we had somewhat of a sell-off. However, it recovered by the end of the day, forming yet another hammer candle pattern. Generally, hammer candles, especially with lots of volume, are signs of bullishness. However, we are quite overextended, so I definitely would not be adding much to my longs right here. The general choppiness that we're experiencing is a sign that we are experiencing potential topping pattern, but I believe it's more going to be a consolidation pattern coming up. Our prediction hasn't been quite right for the last several weeks. You can see we were expecting it to roll over a little sooner. However, if you look at our small cap prediction, IWM, our prediction is much more accurate. It's been selling off for the last few weeks as we expected. However, today we have a potential bounce candle. It's not confirmed. I wouldn't go long yet, but this is a decent location that a bounce could be expected. And we have decent volume here as well. Now, the market had a little bit of fear enter in today. If you look at VXX, you could see that during the last consolidation, you had several large volume spikes here, a consolidation. And then again, we have several large volume spikes. We had another one today, so we still have the possibility that it could curl up a little before the next bull run. Now, what is also interesting is if you go to junk bonds, we generally don't follow junk bonds. However, we had a very large volume candle today. Junk bonds had broken down below support here, so definitely a lot of people got stopped out. Generally, junk bonds are a sign of how the economy is doing. When the economy is doing well, junk bonds generally go up because people are willing to take very risky chances on the market. And when the economy is not doing so well, you could see that junk bonds generally sell off. So I would not say that the economy is doing bad right now. This is probably just going to be a bottom, just like we had in other times where we had very large, you see very large candles, volume candles here, and again here and here and here. So it's a good probability this is just going to be another bottom. However, I wouldn't buy it until it starts bouncing and going back up. Just something to look at. Now, we had one trade we took yesterday. So TTD, members were alerted to go long on TTD on November 1st, which would be around 65, around the middle of this red candle right here. We're expecting it to go long. It was definitely trending up. We had what looked like another bull flag breakout and even a retest of this broken support right here. However, it quickly sold off. So yesterday, members were alerted to exit the trade around 61.3. Should have stopped out, and hopefully you did, because aftermarket right now is showing price will open up around 53. So if you had not stopped that would be a relatively large loss. It definitely does not look like a trade that you want to hold on. It definitely does look like it's just going to sell off even after it gaps down. So if price opens up around this region right here, intraday, I'll probably even short it at the open. We'll just have to see. So that concludes the trade report for November 9th, 2017.